Let's be clear. Yabona mina lo. I fully support lento yokuthi sithole umhlaba wethu back. Angitho wethu. Maba ubuyise ke. Kodwa khona into thina sonke esingayisho. The real truth that we don't speak about. And leyo nto leyo ukuthi umhlaba alone is not enough. If we take land without knowledge, we risk losing it again. And not by force this time, by failure. Ngifuna ukuthi ubone ukuthi umhlaba udingani. 1. Skills to properly farm on it. 2. Knowledge to run it like a business. 3. Understanding of the markets and money. And 4. Systems that we can pass to the next generation. That's yabona, without that, umhlaba uyoba umthwalo rather than an opportunity. Okhokho bethu bebanomhlaba. Yes, kodwa they also had knowledge, structure, ngisho ne-discipline. Today into ekufanele siyilwele izinto ezimbili. 1. Ukuthi umhlaba ubuyiswe. 2. Ukuthi imfundo ibekwe phambili. Ngoba masikuhlanganisa kokubili, we don't just own land. Sakha amathuba omsebenzi. We build industries. Sakha umnotho ozohlala kuma-community wethu. Real empowerment is not just ownership. It's the ability to make the ownership work. So yeah, sipheni umhlaba wethu back. But at the same time, equip us. Because land without knowledge can be lost. But land with knowledge creates power.